name is Kara Chang and I teach writing at Leeward Community College. And this is my son who's going to help us today. So today we're going to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. So it's the perfect little treat because it's quick, easy, and yummy. So let's get started.
Yummy.
You will need 1 cup of half and half. But it also works with whole milk as well. You will need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. You will also need 2 Ziploc bags, 1 big one and 1 small one, 1/4 cup of salt, ice, and any kind of topping of your choice. So here we have fruits and sprinkles.
Mommy, I didn't eat ice cream because it's cold.
Oh, okay. Come here.
Okay.
So, first step, pour the cup, 1 cup of half and half in the smaller Ziploc bag.
Be careful, Mommy.
I will be careful. Next, we will use the tablespoon and scoop 1 tablespoon of sugar. You want to put this in? Yay! Thank you. And a little bit of vanilla. Just a little bit for flavor. What color is it turning? Is it turning a different color? What color did it turn?
Brown.
That's right. Okay, then make sure you zip it very good. I'm gonna double bag it.
So double.
If you're worried that your Ziploc bag isn't strong enough and it might leak out, you should double bag it. Okay. Then you want to put the ice into the bigger Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
You're gonna see.
Wow.
And then we're gonna put the 1/4 cup of salt. So right here, this is coarser salt, and the coarser it is, the better. So we put the salt into the bag of ice.
Yeah.
And then after you do that, you put the smaller bag of the half and half in sugar and vanilla into this bag. And what happens is the salt does a really cool chemical reaction where it melts the ice, but it also keeps the ice or the ice water or ice really, really cold. Colder than the freezing point of 0 degrees.
Mommy, it melts like this.
Okay. Okay, so then
Please.
after this, what you want to do is shake it. Okay, you have to shake it for probably about 5 minutes. Okay? 5 minutes. And we're gonna pause it. So after you've shaken it for about 5 to 6 minutes, it will turn from liquid to a little bit more harder.
Yeah.
Okay? And then it's time to eat it. So I took it out of the icy bag and it's a little bit more coarse. So here is kind of what it looks like. And now it's ready to put some
Strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries.
Yeah, so you can put some toppings on. You can put some sprinkles if you want. You want to put sprinkles. Only just put a little. And you can eat. Go ahead, take a bite. I'm going to help you. You want a piece? How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy? Thank you for watching. Check out the other videos.
Yeah.
Bye.